So today, now we're at a different place today. We are now in Porsche in Guildford. So we're going to come and see if we can see if they've got a 718 in here, and if they've got a GT3 RS. Now I've been told apparently they've got one in here in stock. So what we're going to do, I'll leave all the descriptions for where to find Porsche in Portsmouth. We're checking out. So the GTS there, 911 GTS, not bad. I'll leave all the descriptions for them to find them in the place, and we go in, we check some of these cars out. The people in there are really nice, so as always, have a quick look outside. That looks really cool, very futuristic. The customer's car. There's GT3 there. I'll make sure I don't get the number plate. Not bad. Look at this. Now I've never seen a yellow brake disc on it as well. Yellow calipers and gold wheels. Now we know this isn't going to be cheap. Oh, beautiful car. I love doing this in the sunshine. So good, makes it so much better. Oh. We have another black one over there. That's the midnight black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like these, if you like this sort of thing. Look at that for a colour. I've never seen a Porsche in that sort of colour. Looks nice though, do admit it, doesn't it? So we've got ourselves a 718 here. GT3 RS. Same as the one as they had in Portsmouth. Also got another. And then we have this, ladies and gentlemen. We have ourselves a 911. In black. Oh my god, look at those wheels. Look how good this car looks, guys. GTS. Make this look sick. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So 911 Carrera GTS. Look at this. When was the last time we saw a car that looked this good? Absolutely stunning. Moving on. Now we are moving on. There's a Panamera around there at the back. A red Taken. When was the last time we saw a red Taken? There's another 718 over there in silver. Oh wow. It doesn't look bad. Look at the cream interior. Not bad. Looks nice. Automatic. 718. Doesn't look bad. This is. Now, when I went down to the one in Portsmouth, that was good as well. They've got a wider selection here. This Taken doesn't actually look too bad, does it, in red and black? It's Taken GTS. Looks really nice. A cayman. Oh wow, there's got old school there. It's a bit cheeky. Look at that old school. Oh. It's a family estate take. When was the last time we saw this? Holy crap. This looks really nice. I'm taking GTS. taking oh wow, a Tiger. Saw one of them down in Portsmouth, didn't we? Bright blue, look at that, it's not bad. So not much. Only 145 grand. Oh, if I only had 145 grand. There's a Porsche 911 Turbo in black. The one we saw down in Portsmouth was in grey. Let me know what you guys think of this in black. Look at this. Holy crap, this looks nice. Absolutely stunning. Let me know what you guys think about this. Damn. She has bunda. Even with a turbo speed 50 badge on the back. So there's net interior as well. .718 Cayman. See, I like Caymans. Ever since I've seen Matt Armstrong's video when he rebuilt his Cayman, actually looks alright. Let me know what you guys think. There's a Turbo S Cabriolet, only £169,000. Another GT3 They've got so much more stuff in it. Like in Portsmouth. This is worth the trip in Guildford. I highly recommend coming and look at this. GT3. What else? GT3 RS and Cayman. Another one there, looking not bad at all, in grey. There's another Turbo S. I've got loads of Turbo S, is it? The fourth one I've seen. Holy crap. Oh my god, there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is GT3 RS. Oh my god. Holy crap. Holy fucking shit. Look how good this is. £260,000. As I say, carbon fibre, carbon fibre, carbon fibre, carbon fibre, carbon fibre. Holy crap. One in blue as well. Oh my word. Absolutely carbon fibre. Budget now is definitely I can't afford that. Oh, look at this, guys. Holy crap. That's almost as big as Matt Armstrong's Welch. Beautiful car. Look at this. This is one of the cars that I've always wanted. Look at these tyres. Wow. Holy crap. Stunning. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. And then, you thought the blue was good. You've got it red. Do you know what this reminds me of? It's me showing my age now. Milky Way advert. Red car and the blue car, how there is. Look at this in red. With gold wheels. Oh my god. Oh my god, beautiful car. Look at this. Carbon fibre, carbon fibre. I'm not going to try and open the door because I will get fully kicked out. He told me off earlier already. Oh, that's spoiled on the back. If you've got 10 minutes to kill, or 15 minutes to kill, oh my god, what's that over there? Oh my god. Okay, we're going to see that next. We've got the GT3 RS is over here. And we've got them. Oh wow. Beautiful cars. GT3 RS. £259,900. 21 miles per gallon. One previous owner. Beautiful car. Stunning. Look over here to 911 GT3. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Wow. Look at that, 147 grand. Oh, look, I love the roll cage he's got on the back of this. I don't know. The thing in the back. The roll cage. Big ass spoiler on there as well. GT3. Oh, beautiful car. Oh, why can't I just have £200,000 on my account? I should go and buy myself one of these. Beautiful GT3s. I love it. I love doing this. It's so cool. And then back into the GT4. Oh wow. Oh. And we have ourselves old school 964. Damn. This. I remember when I was younger, I saw one of these on. There used to be. There was a film called Condor Man. There's a guy that used to play. Used to be on TV, and he would always, Frank, his name was, and he would always have things that would always go wrong. And in the film Condor Man, there was these, but in jet black. I'll see if I can find a link to it. But this is when I first saw them. This is when I fell in love with them. The RS. Oh wow! Look at this. They have got some stunning cars here. Beautiful car. Look at this. If you like this sort of stuff, and you want to see more of this sort of stuff, let me know in the comments below. Oh, there's one going up there. Another one. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe to Chief Drives. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you later.